Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect your custom domain to your Google Sites website step by step, whether your domain is from GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other registrar. This guide works for you. First of all, make sure your Google site is published. Go to your googlesite.com, then choose your site, then click publish. And choose a unique web address like and click publish. Now choose a unique web address like my portfolio 123.google.com or my blog 123.google.com. Will connect your custom domain to this address. Now if you bought your domain through Google Domains, it's super easy. But if your domain is from another registrar, don't worry, it still works. For non-Google domains, you will need to access your DNS settings from the provider's website. Now, in your Google site dashboard, click the gear icon for settings. Then go to custom domains and click start setup. Enter your custom domain name like myblog.com. And click next. Here's the important part. You will need to update your domain's DNS records to point to Google. Go to DNS settings from Namecheap or GoDaddy or any other registrar, then add edit CNAME and a records. Add these DNS records exactly as shown. A record 216.239.3221. Then just change the 2, write 4 and 6 and 8. CNAME record www then gas.google hosted.com. The records allow Google to connect directly to your domain. And the CNAME points the www subdomain to Google Sites. Now we need to prove that you actually own the domain. Google might ask you to verify it using a TXT record. Add the TXT record to your DNS panel, save it, and wait for a minute. Then click verify in Google Sites. This step can take up to an hour depending on your domain provider. Once everything's verified and connected, Google Sites will let you set the custom domain as your primary web address. Click set as a primary, and your visitors will now see your custom domain instead of the default Google Sites link. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to your Google site. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Thanks for watching.